love and support and for making our stay here very meaningful. I will remember all of you in my prayers. And also please remember us that we, like Brother Dominic said, will be faithful to our vocation and attain that perfect charity. So we'll pray for one another, mutual prayers. And salamat, salamat, salamat.
Like the flowers and the vegetables in the garden, we can only plant the seed, but God will nourish, provide the rain, all the necessary things to help us grow. So with that, you will be happy because you know that you will not be abandoned, you are not alone in this journey, and you are sure that God will keep you and bless you and help you grow in this Garden of Carmel.
Wow, very profound. We celebrate the goodness of the Lord. Galing po
Yes.
after long journeys in Carmel.
Pray for me.
Our brother Robert Hakome of Saint Therese of the Child Jesus.
Oh, ba't siya Jesus lang ako? Walang sakit.
Brother Hakome of the Child Jesus will finally take his vow, solemn vow in Carmel. Kailan yon?
October 22, Solemn Profession.
Solemn profession.
2020.
Like those sunflowers that follow the way of the sun. Okay? Jesus Christ is our way, truth, and life. Amen. Mabuhay!